Hello and welcome to the very first tutorial. In this session, I am going to show you how to hold the henna cone. Today, we are going to deal with the market henna cone. In upcoming lectures, we are going to see how to make our own cone and how to hold that. But today, as we are the beginner, we are going to see how to hold the henna cone. We are going to deal with different types of cone holding methods. As whenever we go into the industry of henna, we are going to see that different kind of artist prefers the different kind of methods. Like some of the artists hold the cone like this. Actually, majority of artists do with this. Some may hold here, and some may hold like this. Some may like this. It's totally depend on how you are comfortable. But what I strongly suggest you is that I'm going to hold the cone like this. Why? Because from my school days I'm comfortable with this kind of position as we are holding the pen like this. So it's depend on you how you are comfortable with. Try all the possible ways and find out how in which way you are comfortable with. Okay, let's have the demonstration how to hold the cone, how to push the henna, and how to make the pressure managed so that you will get the finished and very soft shiny output. Okay, let me showcase. Okay guys, so look, whenever you're holding the cone, your index finger should be straight with the length of the henna cone. Look like how straight I am with the index finger with my henna cone, with the tip, and afterwards put your thumb just above the index finger. It should look like this. Hold the henna cone in between thumb and the index finger so that you can manage it like a pen and you will get the totally fine out. Okay, afterwards always make sure that you are not going to push henna with index finger. Always push henna with thumb only. Okay, look like this how I am pushing with thumb. Look, let's have demonstration. Look, I have hold the cone in between index finger and the thumb. Afterwards I am pushing the henna with the thumb. Look how finite look it's giving. Look again. Let me showcase you again. Push henna forward. Afterwards, put your index finger below the cone. Put the index finger above it. Push the henna. Maintain the pressure and make the line. And this is all about holding the henna cone. So do practice, find out your best method, and be ready for the next session, guys. Thank you.